If you have the courage to make it, you will in Onpassive. Success is a road paved with perseverance. The odds are with you if you keep trying. There is no failure except in not trying. You cannot be beaten at anything until you quit in your own mind. There is no defeat except from within. You have no real insurmountable barrier except your own inherent weaknesses of purpose. Consider yourself a very long journey. Sustain your personal vision of success. In the end, you can only fail if you don't try. Winning isn't everything, but wanting is. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you, and have a blessed day.